Hi there! Today I want to show you a tool you're going to love. A complete, intuitive, and fully customizable template to help you take full control of your personal finances. With this template, you can manage income, expenses, savings, budgets, internal transfers, debts, and much more all in one place. And the best part, it's simple, visual, and well organized. Do you have multiple accounts? No problem. You can log cash, Nikki, BCP account, Mercado Pago by Zoom. Any account you use, you can add or rename anything you need because everything is 100% editable. Supports over 15 currencies, whether it's dollars, euros, or your local currency, this template adapts to you. You can also organize your income and expenses by categories and subcategories. For example, you can create a category for home and add subcategories like electricity, water, internet, or Netflix. Personal expenses, food, transportation. You decide how to organize everything. There's also a savings section. Just pick the account, enter the amount you want to save, and assign it a goal, travel, emergencies, anything you like. It's that easy to start building your goals. One of the highlights is the interactive dashboard where you'll get a clear overview of everything happening with your money. Available balances, monthly summaries, financial trends, income versus expenses charts, performance versus budget, and much more. Love customizing? You can choose from 6 visual themes including dark mode, blue, neon, green, and others. Make the template look just the way you like it. Logging income or expenses is super quick. Just select the category, enter the amount, choose the account and date, and you're done. It saves and updates everything automatically in seconds. You can even add notes or reminders. You can also make internal transfers between your accounts. For example, move money from cash to Nikki or from Mercado Pago to BCP with just a few clicks. Managing debts or loans, you can handle that too. Record amounts, payment dates, interest rates, and the system shows you how much you owe, how much you've paid, and what's left. Everything updates instantly. The budget section lets you plan your income and expenses at the beginning of each month. It alerts you if you go over, helping you avoid impulse spending and improve your financial habits. And best of all, you can filter by month, by category, or by transaction type and track how your money evolves day by day. In short, this template is a complete solution to manage your finances in a visual, simple, and fully customizable way. Perfect for anyone who wants to save, invest, and take control of their personal finances. It's really that simple to manage your money, keep track of your income, and see exactly where your money goes. Start taking control of your finances today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.